Hello everyone, let's begin the subtopic types of reproduction from lesson 12 reproduction in plants. First thing that we will discuss is types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Most of the plants reproduce sexually and some of the plants reproduce asexually. Now we will talk about what is asexual reproduction in plants. The production of new plants from a single parent without the involvement of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Since fusion of gametes is not involved, no seeds are formed in asexual reproduction. Thus, in asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from a single parent. Now, this is very important. In asexual reproduction, you just need only one parent. That means there is no concept of male and female. So, one single parent can give rise to a new organisms. So, here there is no involvement of gametes, both male and female. That is, there is no communication between male and female because every single organism is capable of producing. The plants produced through a reproduction are exactly identical to the parent plant. That means in asexual reproduction, the plants which are produced are exactly identical to the parent plant. Now, what is sexual reproduction in plants? The production of new plants from the existing parents by the fusion of their gametes is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction in plants, the fusion of a male gamete with the female leads to the formation of seed. The seeds germinate to form plants. Thus, in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from existing plants through seeds. Most of the flowering plants reproduce sexually. So, what are the differences between asexual and sexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, the new organisms which are formed are exactly identical to the parents, but in case of sexual reproduction, the new organisms has similarities to the parents, but it is not exactly identical. In asexual reproduction, there is no involvement of gametes, but in case of sexual reproduction, there is involvement of both male and female gametes. Number 3, the multiplication rate in asexual reproduction is very high. That is, number of offsprings or new organisms which are produced are more. But in sexual reproduction or in case of sexual reproduction, the multiplication rate is quite low compared to the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction can be categorized into vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. Vegetative propagation is of two types: natural vegetative propagation and artificial vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation, in case of that, the new plants are formed from stem, root and leaf. In case of artificial vegetative propagation, we use different types of processes, different types of that means modes of reproduction, that is cutting, layering, grafting and tissue culture. Here in this chapter, we will discuss only about the natural mode of vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, and from artificial mode of vegetative propagation, we will discuss about only the cutting.